2025 Ford Mustang continues the legacy of American muscle with aggressive styling, updated tech, and serious performance. It's based on the 7th generation design that launched in 2024, so the look remains sharp with that signature long hood, fast back roofline, and bold rear stance. This year, Ford is celebrating the Mustang's 60th anniversary with a limited edition package. Only 1,965 units are being made, featuring special side stripes, retro grille details, unique 20-inch wheels, and exclusive colors like Wimbledon white and vapor blue. It's a modern tribute to a true icon. Under the hood, the Mustang lineup remains fierce. The EcoBoost variant delivers 315 horsepower from a 2.3-liter turbocharged engine, while the GT comes with a 5.0-liter V8, pumping out 480 horsepower, or 486, with the optional active exhaust. At the top sits the Dark Horse, a track-ready version with 500 horsepower, forged internals, and aggressive tuning. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual for the purist or a 10-speed automatic for those chasing quicker shifts. The GT and Dark Horse deliver 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds when properly equipped. Inside, the cabin is all about driver connection. A 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster flows into a 13.2-inch touchscreen. The layout is futuristic, but still Mustang at heart, with available Recaro seats, ambient lighting, and a premium audio system. New color options for 2025 include molten magenta, Brittany blue, and intense lime yellow. Matte finish film is now available on convertibles for a more custom look, and new bronze wheel options add to the aggressive vibe. Pricing starts just under $32,000 for the EcoBoost Fastback and climbs to over $70,000 for a fully loaded Dark Horse convertible. There's also the Extreme Mustang GTD, a limited production model with over 800 horsepower carbon bodywork and a price tag close to $300,000. Whether you want a daily muscle car or a street-legal track weapon, the 2025 Mustang lineup has something for every kind of driver. From Turbo 4 to screaming V8, the legend continues.